everyone, today we're gonna make a hot pot. It's a cold weather here in Liverpool, UK, so we're gonna do a simple hot pot and then teach you the easiest way how to make it. So simple ingredients and all your like. So let's start with our soup base. We use the Japanese miso soup for our base. We're probably gonna use some chicken seasoning as well, and we're gonna do 4 kinds of sauce on this. We have the chili oil sauce, the hot chili oil sauce, and that's the hoisin sauce. We're gonna use the normal soy sauce with chili, and also from the Philippines, ginisang bagoong. And for our noodles, we're gonna use the udon, the Japanese style noodles, and we have some lemon. And for our meat, we choose the fatty pork thin slice, bacon, fish ball, and shawmai. And we're also gonna add some vegetables. It's very important. The green leaves, bok choy, the Chinese cabbage, ribbon, we call this ribbon, carrots, baby corn, and this is the thicker from Chinese cabbage, and some string beans. Now this is the hot pot utensils we're gonna use. The cooker, we got this one from London Chinatown. And you have a little scoop to scoop the fish balls and shawmai, and you have to use the important things to watch on doing hot pot is you have to separate the food chopsticks to use to put the food in, and the chopsticks to use when you eat. That's a different chopsticks. How to cook the hot pot? We literally put all the ingredients into the cooker, and then when it's cooked, you scoop it onto your bowl and eat it fresh. So we have the fish ball here, shawmai here, the noodles is on the middle. Got some baby corn, the hard skin of Chinese pechay, Chinese cabbage, hard skin of Chinese bok choy, and string beans there. So we're just waiting for it to boil, and that's it. So to make a hot pot dish, it's very important to put all these ingredients. That's cooked already. Ready to eat. So enjoy this dish, easy to make, and you can do it by your own ingredients and whatever you choose to eat, so you could cook it freshly in front of your table. So enjoy. For the next one, cheers, bye. Hello everyone, today we're going to make a hot pot dish. I'm going to show you how the easiest way to make this recipe, and hope you like it. It's a cold weather here in